Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm here at Mount Douglas Park and Harrison Elliot.
Hello guys.
I've talked about Harrison in multiple videos. He is training for an Ironman.
Ironman Canada, my 5th consecutive year doing it.
And I don't know, tell me more about it.
Well, this is my backyard. This is my training staircase. It's 1.5 kilometers from the base all the way to the top. And if we look over there, I know I just pointed, there's a little plaque on the ground which basically indicates our starting point.
Cool. So I've never done 1.5 kilometer straight uphill before. This ought to be fun or not, depending on how you want to put it. But I'm going to get Harrison to help me with some details on how to run hills.
We'll be taking Churchill Drive all the way up to the top where the parking lot is. We'll take our breath away.
Literally?
Yeah.
Literally?
And it's a gradual, about 10% from the majority of the run up. The second half is definitely more steeper than the first half. What we're going to do is we're just going to keep it at a nice slow and steady pace to the point where we can keep the conversation going the whole time. And then
you heard it from the master.
We're going to keep the conversation going the whole time.
Okay, so here we are at the gate, and so what are a few key points we need to remember?
Watch out for vehicles.
That's
we're going to be running on the left side of the road all the way up, and try to be seen around blind corners.
Okay, and what about the posture?
Posture, we're going to try to stay upright, keep our breathing going, keeping our strides comfortable. They won't be super long strides because we are going uphill, so it's going to be probably half of what you would normally run on flat.
All right, game on.
So if we were going to do hills on this at Mount Doug, you would find a 250 meter marker on the road, and you would run at a steady pace until the 500 meter marker, which is just coming up here, and that's how you would do your hill training intervals, because it's just a gradual hill, nothing too steep, but just enough resistance to make you work for it.
Okay, just past 500. And what was that about blind corners?
So, on blind corners, you want to be seen from cars coming down the mountain. So we'll just move over so that we can be seen accordingly.
Halfway. As I say this in a lot of races, slow your breath, take it easy, go slow. Anything to add?
Yeah. Find your comfortable spot. And if you have to walk, don't hesitate to walk.
Yeah, you're at least you're moving towards their goals. It's also easier to do it in the morning when it's a little bit chillier, not in the middle of the afternoon when it's sunny. Only 500 more.
Yeah. This is the steepest corner on the road.
My ears are cracked. Nearing the top, slowing your breath, put the weight in your legs. I feel like I should be doing the Rocky, bouncing around. We made it!
All the way to the top.
Woo! Now we're gonna go back down.
This particular hill right here is the best hill on Mount Doug for just pure hill sprints. It's at about 7% grade. It's about 150 meters from down at the bottom of the corner to this proverbial line right up here. And yeah, it's a doable one. You give yourself about 30-second sets and take a break and repeat 3 to 5 times and call it a day.
And there's your workout right there. Okay, so now we're running downhill.
So the key to running downhill is you don't want to put a lot of pressure on your knees. So you don't want to lean too far forward. You want to stay upright, basically on your glutes. And it's almost like a skip all the way down.
Okay, so that was relatively easy. We did that in, what, 25 minutes or so?
Give or take, yeah.
Give or take. This is Harrison Elliot. You'll find him in the description box below. He's been my motivation in a lot of my other videos, Oak Bay and Whistler, I think. He's helped me with a lot of runs. He can help, just if you want to find him in the description box below. In the meantime, smash that like button, comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video. Until next time.